I really hate to redo videos. I more or less never do that. But I was talking about my external mic that for some reason didn't want to work because I was downgrading it. But here I have the new iPhone 16 Pro Max in white. And I've been missing a white iPhone. I don't know when I had it the last time. I use a case anyway, but yeah, I just like it. I wouldn't call this white, maybe more or less gray. I miss the old white ones, but it looks good. It really looks good. And what I noticed is that the action button isn't there anymore, which I sort of like because I didn't use the action button at all. So the new button, I'm getting to the camera button, probably works as an action button as well, but you can see that it says volume on off, just like before. And I do prefer that. The action button that was in, I don't use it at all. And I do like my 15 Pro Max. I rarely take pictures with it, which I should do. And every time I do it, I'm impressed with it. But I always want to have the newest iPhone to have the best camera. And I really like this camera button. I haven't tried it yet, but I really like the thing that hopefully will make people take landscape mode pictures again and not the portrait mode. I've already heard somebody complaining about it's hard taking the picture like that, but you're supposed to take pictures like that. So I'm old school. I really hope this will change the way people take pictures. And what I said is that I'm going to try a couple of different cases because the button is the most important thing for me with this new one. And I had a hard time finding the right case, and yes, it's always like that in the early stages. So I bought the one from Beats that has a button on it, but I will probably return that. I've ordered a case from Casetify that has a small part cut out. And I'm thinking about the mouse case 6.0 that have a big part cut out. I would like to use it like this, but I have some accessories like this finger holder that I really like, and I use it on and off the case when I film with it. So I need a case even though I am very careful with my phone. I've been thinking of not getting a screen protector just to try it out because I don't know, I really do take care of my phone. I have it in my hand like 14 hours every day. But I mainly wanted to show you the picture, the white color, and to explain why I always buy the newest iPhone, because I would like to take more pictures. And the best camera you have is the one that you have with you. And I always have my phone with me. And I really do like that I have the camera button like that on a camera. So I'm really hoping to see more landscape on widescreen mode pictures. And then we got the braided cable. I don't think we got that the last year. We saw these the last year. I don't remember. But I used aftermarket, way better cables anyway. So, but yeah. Finally have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've been waiting all day for it. That's it for this video. And yeah, what I said in the last video was that I'm going to compare the sound because I'm really looking forward. If the sound is as good as it showed in the PR videos, I'm really happy because I usually, when I'm at home, I always use the external mic. But sometimes I do videos outdoors and I don't have the mic with me. And sometimes we are more than 2 people. So I'm really looking forward to see how it captures sound. So this time I'm doing this video in a very quiet room with the 15 Pro Max. And I'm going to do a video where I compare external mic 15 Pro Max and 16 Pro Max. Yeah, and I'm going to compare cases when I got the cases. So I got a couple of iPhone videos coming up. That's why I didn't want to just cut this one out, because I really don't like to redo videos. And it's mostly when I need to redo videos, is because I had a phone call and the camera got interrupted, or that a mic doesn't work. But subscribe for more iPhone videos coming up. Thanks for watching. And yeah.